Hello, Morris Baynett, Technical Director at EcoMaster with you once again. Today I want to talk to you about split systems. Now you're probably already aware that these can be amazingly efficient heaters and coolers, but one thing that makes them less efficient is when these get dirty. Of course, they're always pumping air, and so they can get choked up with dust, and potentially they could also be growing mold inside. So it's a good idea once a year or once every 2 years to take a look and give them a thorough clean. If you're not okay with getting on a ladder and doing that, then there are professional cleaners who can do that for you. So maybe check them out and get them in to give your system a clean every couple of years. We're going to take a look at this one next. Now, if you're going to do yours, before taking the cover off, of course, check your manual to find out how the cover actually comes off so you don't have any nasty surprises there. Well, we've got the cover off the indoor unit, and as you can see, the filters here are quite dusty. We've still got a couple of things to unclip there in order to get the filter out. But underneath we've got the heat exchanger, and that doesn't look too bad. The professional cleaners will also wash that, and they will also wash the blower that's along the bottom inside. I'm not going to do that, it looks okay. So all I'm going to do is remove the filters, give them a wash and pop them back in. Now I've washed my filters, and while they're drying I thought I'd come and have a closer look at the heat exchanger. Now mine's pretty clean, but if yours is choked with dust or perhaps looks like it's got mold growing in it, then that's a good candidate actually for you getting a professional clean of your indoor unit. Well, there it is, back together again. While the cover is off, I did take the opportunity to clean the back of the cover because it also was really dusty. One last thing, have a look at your remote and check your manual for your system because you might find some cleaning functions in there. My own has an anti-allergen function and also a clean function. Now the manual doesn't tell me very much about what that is or how it works, but I'm going to give it a try. So if you have a split system, think about cleaning the filters at least once a year to keep it running at top efficiency. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon.